is up, guys? Corey Smith here, and today we're doing some low light tests, and it is currently around 5:30-ish, so the sun has just set, and I'm going to be going downtown Tempe and possibly to a car show to do some more low light tests.
Are you doing a low light test or something? Are you going to ride today?
Alright, so change of plan. I'm actually going to go home, get my motorcycle, and then I'm going to go to a car show.
All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Running back. Because I'm awfully deceiving. I always say I'm fine, but that's not the true meaning. The walls are caving in and it leaves me with feelings. But the only one that matters is I won't be defeated. They'll keep talking, pray that I lost it. I keep it cool, my attitude is defrosted. And I'm intending to bring a revolution. They're fraudulent problems with false view solutions. So let's march towards the hills. Let's march with the dreams to be fulfilled. The better plan I'm making them sign a bill. Letting out a future is hard to me still. And all I know is I just need a hurry. All I know is you just need a. All I know is we just need a. All I know is you just need a.
How are you doing? Good. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you like what you see. If you want to leave a comment on this video, let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. You can do that. Also, make sure you subscribe. I will see you in the